Hi, I'm Amy Angelo. I am owner and co-founder of Oceana Coffee, as well as some additional businesses here in Lake Park. When we were designing this building, we had to create a really nice footprint of lighting at night. I was connected with a local sales rep, and he provided some solutions for us that were solar.
I spec the SOLN and SOLA, as well as our solar bollards, and worked with our Westgate partners to create a site lighting project with photometrics. Came out absolutely amazing.
The lights that we have in our solar package are shining light in the parking lot from posts that we have around the property, and they're also attached to the side of the building. But some of the really more beautiful lights that we have are some solar bollards that are in the landscaping around the perimeter of the property. And there was a big cost savings there because that would have been a lot of infrastructure underground to really run all the wiring and the cables for those lights out in the landscape.
When we went solar, it was a significant savings of approximately $80,000 by not having to do the underground utilities and underground wiring. The lighting does not require any type of real maintenance. They simply work based on Mother Nature.
Stuart was amazing. He really was there to answer all of our questions. I really love the look and feel of this building at night. It really lights up our beautiful landscaping and our building.
Westgate Manufacturing, America's most dependable lighting.